Hello there. This is Mr. Clark, and we're going to go over the week 15, day one notes and assignment. So, first of all, this assignment has a square. Now, you're going to find the lengths of the sides of the square. Okay, so you need to find four lengths and find the perimeter. That's what you're doing. I'm going to go over these two, and then you're just going to have to do these two, and then add up the perimeter. All right, and the day two assignment is going to be just about the same with a different shape. I'll do two, and then you do two. That's it. And then next week we're going to have makeup since there's only 2 days. Okay, so let's get started on this one. So we're going to find the distance, which is the length of a side, the distance between these 2 points right here. Oops, I want to do that. Redo that. Okay. We're going to do that. But you know what? First of all, I got to make a copy of this file. Make a copy. Copy of. Okay, there we go. That's the copy. Oh, you're getting to see behind the scenes what happens. Okay. I don't want to rate this stuff on the original. Anyway, so now we're going to do this one. So we're going to find the distance between these 2 points, right? Now I marked this up here so you could see. And as you know from the other formulas, it gets plugged in to a formula. Now, this formula has the x2, x1. So the first thing we put in is x2. And x2, as you can see, is 6. Now I wrote it down here like this, so you can just fill it in. Okay, so you might not want to. I'll do it this way. I'll do it one way this time, and then I'll show you the next one if you want to do it a different way. Okay, it'll make more sense after I do it. Anyway, x2 is 6. All right, x1 is 2. There's that. Y2 is 6 again. And what's y1? Right, y1 is, here it is, 3. All right, let me make sure I put those in right. x2, 6. x1 is 2. There it goes. y2, 6. y1 is 3. Okay, there we go. Now I plugged it in there. And okay, this is what I was babbling about before. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You can copy this and just paste it and then just keep altering it. Or you can fill it in here, and I'll show you how you could do it this way. So you need to do what's in the parentheses, 6 minus 2. What's 6 minus 2? It's 4. So there it goes. So that goes in there, right? So you've solved what's in the parentheses right here. All right. Now we have what's in the parentheses here, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. All right. So that's how you do that next step. Now you're going to do 4 with this little 2 up here. That means squared. And that doesn't mean 4 times 2. That means 4 times 4. Whatever number's in the parentheses there, it's you multiply that by itself. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put that right there. Now we have 3 squared. That's 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. All right. So we're filling this in slowly but surely. Getting close now. 16 plus 9, what is it? 25, right? And you still have this little check thing here on top, which is a square root. So how do you do a square root? A square root is like you find the number, like the square root of 4 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 16 is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. What's the square root of 25? You might just know that now, but if you don't, you go up there. You can go up here or on your phone or calculator, but online you can do it here. Square root calculator. Look at that number 25. What's the square root of 25? It's 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so that's 5. And that's your answer. And then the square root's gone because you already did it. So you don't write the square root of 5. You can just put it over here. The answer is 5. You can see that. Everybody see that good? Okay, so that's how you do that first one. So let's do the second one. This time I'm gonna take this stuff off because it might be easier for you to just copy it and paste it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So now we're doing BC. Now up here on the square, well, it doesn't have a mark, but this was A, this is B, this is B, this is C. So we're doing this side now. Oops, yeah, I can't do that. Okay. All right, so we're going to do BC. Here it is, BC. Make it big if possible. Again, it's marked x1, y1, x2, y2. Now up here is the formula. We do x2 minus x1. Okay, plug it in there. X2 is 9 minus x1, 6. There we go. And then what do we do next? Y2 minus y1. Okay, y2 is 2 and y1 is 6. Ooh, we're going to have a negative on this one. All right, now this is what I'm talking about. You could do it like this and just copy. I highlighted it, press Control C, go to the right, go down, Control V, and then it pops in there. That's the way I like to do it. But I put these things here in case you guys, it's easier for you. So whichever way, it doesn't matter to me. Okay, let me do what's in here. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 6. Be careful with this one. Negative 4. All right. So that's how you do that. Now again, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to press Control C. And Control V. Right. Now we do 3 squared, just like up here, right? We did 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And remember, when you do that, the square is gone because you used it. Now this one gets a lot of people make a mistake on this one. If you put this in your calculator, if you put it in like this, negative 4 squared, you get, I don't even know if you can see this. Hopefully you can see that. You get negative 16, but that's not the answer, because what this does is it does 4 squared, which is 16, and then it puts a negative in front of it. If you do it in your calculator, you would need to do it like this. Uh-oh. Breaking down. Okay. Like this. Because that's the same. That's negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4. Right? Equals 16. I don't even know if you can see it. Hopefully. And you can just remember, anytime you square a number, it becomes positive, because a negative times a negative, positive. Get rid of that. We'll put a 16 in there. Okay. We're going to copy this. Paste it. What's 9 plus 16? 25. And that's the same as you had last time. Now, if you don't remember, if it's a different number, you can go up here to the old square root calculator. Put a 25 in there. Calculate 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Just like the last time. So that side length is 5. Oops. 5. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's going to be that. Now you guys are going to do the next 2 sides on your own for homework points. And then you're going to add the sides together to get the perimeter. So you already know that the first side is 5. You get 5 plus, what's the second side? It's 5. 5 plus 5 plus, I don't know, plus something else equals, and that'll give you the perimeter. You just add up all the side lengths. That's it. So that's what you need to do for this assignment, okay? And let me know when you have some questions.